How to fix Paramount Plus error code 3005. Error code 3005 on Paramount Plus typically occurs due to network connectivity issues, outdated apps, or cache-related problems. Follow these troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue and restore streaming functionality. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet speed is at least 5 megabits per second for smooth streaming. Restart your Wi-Fi router or modem by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then reconnecting. Try switching to a different network, e.g., mobile data or another Wi-Fi. Step 2. Restart the Paramount Plus app or web browser. If using a browser, close and reopen it. If using the Paramount Plus app, force close the app and relaunch it. Restart your device, TV, phone, tablet, or streaming device, and try again. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. For web browsers, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari. Open settings. Go to Privacy and Security. Clear cache and cookies. For mobile devices, go to Settings. Apps, Paramount Plus, Clear cache and data. For smart TVs and streaming devices, restart the device and, if applicable, clear cache from device settings. Step 4. Update the Paramount Plus app. Ensure you have the latest Paramount Plus app version by checking for updates in the App Store iOS, Google Play Store Android, or your streaming device's App Store. If the app is outdated, update it and try streaming again. Step 5. Disable VPN or ad blockers. If you're using a VPN, disable it as it can interfere with Paramount Plus servers. Turn off browser extensions or ad blockers as they might prevent the platform from loading correctly. Step 6. Try a different device or browser. Switch to another browser, Chrome, Firefox, Edge, if streaming on a PC. If using a TV or streaming device, try using a phone, tablet, or computer to check if the issue persists. Step 7. Uninstall and reinstall the Paramount Plus app. Delete the Paramount Plus app from your device. Restart the device. Reinstall the app and log in again to check if the issue is resolved. Step 8. Contact Paramount Plus support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Paramount Plus customer support. Visit Paramount Plus Help Center from your web browser. Provide your device type, app version, and a description of the issue for faster assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to fix error code 3005 and resume streaming on Paramount Plus.